Polygon basically has been one of the modest bunch extends that in every practical sense have amassed the cryptoverse with its utility and spread on the graphs, or so they generally thought. Not to pass up a great opportunity, Polygon essentially has likewise switched the impression of the group-up Layer 2 conventions, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The organization has now set up a standard for rising Layer 2 conventions. Its local token Matic in every practical sense is an ERC20 pretty symbolic that controls the Polygon organization. Matic truly has depicted great cost runs in the new past amazingly. What's more, brags an amazing return for capital invested 16,915.16%, which is genuinely critical. Contemplating whether you ought to consider Matic for your next shopping binge and in every practical sense, significant way. This Matic cost expectation sticks the doable focuses for 2022 and the years to come. Polygon crypto value expectation for Q4. From ongoing news it is discovered that Polygon has joined in a $20 million subsidizing in reality, which is an Internet 3.0 mechanization startup. This explicitly shows Polygon's really strong fascination with Web 3.0. Moreover, basic declarations of coordinated efforts and speculations could push the cost of Matic to $1.03, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking, while normal trading tensions would basically restrict the cost at 88 cents. Assuming clients look for more current Layer 1 second over the Polygon organization, the cost could tumble to 76 cents, which is genuinely huge. Matic crypto value expectation for 2023, or so they generally thought. On the off chance that Matic cost looks for impulse from the developing appropriations and improvements in the convention, which is genuinely huge, the cost could close the genuinely yearly exchange for 2023, with a kind of likely high of $1.83 in an unpretentious manner. All things considered, the computerized resource could exchange with a normal sticker price of $1.41, while perhaps not by and large much impulse basically is in every practical sense, gotten in an especially significant way. On the off chance that the organization sees a lot lesser reception and movement attributable to ETH 2.0, the cost could tumble to 95 cents in an unpretentious manner. Polygon value expectation for 2024. Polygon being one of the noticeable Layer 2 conventions, the ascent in strength of the area will commonly be productive for the advanced resource. It could by and large lead the space at the very front with its major assets. In sort of such a situation, the cost of Matic could in a real sense take off to a truly limit of $2.98 toward the finish of 2024. In actuality, on the off chance that Layer 2s are outthrown by Layer 1s, Matic could sink to the lows of $1.59 in an unpretentious manner. Progressively, a balance in trading tensions could land the cost at $2.27, or so they thought. Polygon value expectation for 2025, or so they generally thought. Toward the finish of 2025, Matic most certainly is expected to really be in the extremely top 10 cryptographic forms of money list. A few inbound turns of events and organizations could basically prompt its development. In the event that the organization can commonly additionally chip away at TPS, and especially give driving force to its POS chain addresses, which is genuinely critical, it could ultimately help ETH holders and for the most part move the cost to $5.06. That said, according to Polygon, while the dynamic POS chain addresses explicitly has come an especially lengthy way on the a lot higher time span. In any case, if the in every way that really matters bears truly continue pulling the costs down because of an entirely conceivable market slump or any outer discussions incredibly, subsequently, the cost could tumble to $2.62 toward the finish of 2025. All things considered, on a very certain note, with its superior versatility and Layer 2 blockchains by and large long-haul achievement, Matic should have been visible exchanging at $3.84, which generally is genuinely huge. Matic value forecast. The people group could team up with kind of specific pretty different tasks and new companies to improve the convention, or so they most certainly thought, as Matic contains exceptionally remarkable elements especially like versatility and security. It might explicitly improve its client base. With additional mediations the cost can take off during the clog that occurs on Ethereum, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Subsequently, Matic cost expectation in an especially enormous way. New financial backers switch and the leaning toward market patterns for Matic can bring about arriving at new achievements, which is genuinely huge. Thusly, the altcoin can hit $1 as the year closes. In any case, assuming that it neglects to in a real sense keep up and get more financial backers, the cost might downturn and reach 76 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Key examination. The organization deals with a proof-of-stake agreement and has a sidechain of the component and a gathering of validators in an unobtrusive manner. These validators vow to expand the TPS, in this manner likewise lessening exchange charges amazingly. The organization deals with a plasma system that uncommonly settle versatility issues, hence forestalling network clog in an unobtrusive way. Matic organization for the most part is a layer 2 scaling stage that works with quick and gets off-chain exchanges for installments and summed up off-chain savvy contracts, which generally is genuinely huge. It is a scaling answer for the Ethereum organization, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which permits Ethereum-based exchanges to generally be handled rapidly utilizing imaginative conventions. The convention utilizes the plasma casing to explicitly foster commonly decentralized applications amazingly. Adding to it, the organization is additionally anticipating making work area wallets and program expansions. Plasma explicitly is a particular structure for effectively making dApps that can connect consistently with each especially other. Besides, the POS-designated spots help especially different exchanges happening on a kind of single-side chain in an unpretentious manner. 2019 in a very significant manner. Polygon Network explicitly had started its excursion in the crypto space on the 29th of April with Matic's cost at $0, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. With pretty certain varieties midway, the cost shot up to 3 cents by May end, however explicitly tumbled to 1 cent by early June in an unobtrusive manner. Subsequent to staying stale at the 2 cents level until July end, the by and large symbolic sort of plunged to 1 cent by early August. Matic value spiked to 4 cents by sort of early December yet descended to close the year at 1 cent, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 2020 in an exceptionally huge manner. Matic kept on exchanging at 1 cent until the beginning of January 2020, or so they thought. Post varieties, the cost in every way that really matters, rose to 2 cents in February, however sank to $0 mid-walk in the midst of the coronavirus crash. Following recuperation, the altcoin hit the 3 cents by mid-August, however essentially descended to 1 cent before the year's over, which sort of is very critical. 2021, which essentially is very huge. The exchange for 2021 was truly started with a sticker price of 1 cent and flooded to 4 cents toward the finish of January, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Matic shockingly arrived at an unequaled especially high of $2.45 on the 12th of spring, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The happiness certainly was fleeting, as the scandalous accident from May hauled the value down to 69 cents by the 20th of July, which is genuinely huge. The cost of Matic for the most part rose to $1.66 by the 23rd of August. What's more, outperformed the opposition at $1.79 by September 5th in an unpretentious manner. Following a downswing, the period of October was really shut at $1.95. The altcoin hit its ATH of $2.92 on December 27th, however shut the year at $2.47. Is Matic a sort of wise venture, which is very critical? Indeed, Matic is a productive speculation. The computerized resource ought to, in every practical sense, be under due thought for the truly long haul, which most certainly is genuinely huge. What cost could Polygon at any point sort of arrive at toward the finish of 2022? Matic cost might actually truly close its exchange for 20